All right, these are the Macy side elevators. These got monitor H. What the freak?
Yeah, that is a problem. These indicators are different.
Yeah,
also,
these
this one's
has
on
a little,
one, but it didn't come up, so it's
little micro indicators.
fun fact. I was stuck in this elevator on Tuesday, but thankfully I'm still here. I think it's broken.
It might be.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Going down.
This one has a voice. LL. Alright, you gotta listen to this motor.
The fan's off, so that's better. There's like some provisions here. There's an overloaded light. That's interesting. Monitor HPS.
Elevator 19. Oh yeah, look at the wall. Cause look, it's different. It has a
Oh yeah, they did paint
texture,
it.
Yep. And it actually has a handrail here.
Yeah.
Yep. Has a voice too. Just listen.
Lower level. Going up.
There it
This one's
goes.
Different. This.
Oh yeah, they have that lantern.
Yep.
All right.
Here, you'll see what I was talking about.
Right. That takes way too long to level.
Alright, I'll show you something interesting.
Going down.
We'll go to 2 first. I'll show you what I mean. You'll see how much faster it takes to level. Also, look at this. Look at very, very nice.
This one looks a lot nicer.
Second
See,
floor.
it takes a few seconds to level there.
Going
When we
down.
go back down to LL, it takes longer. Yeah, this panel's really nice, but the floor's already dirty. And
Only
they actually got
specific.
rid of the old indicator here.
Yeah, this one they actually
They did a better mod. Well, I wouldn't say better mod because the other one is most definitely broken, but see, it takes like twice as long to level down here compared to the first and second floors. I don't know why that is.
Lower level.
and then the
Alarm
it works.
And then if we go up to 2,
Going
it takes
up.
the same amount of time.
Yeah, the other one's still.
Oh, look at this. It's up there. We'll go to 1 eventually.
I'm getting a spam call, so I don't need to answer it.
Watch the numbers.
Oh,
That's never happened before. See, you'll see how much shorter it takes to level.
like 5 seconds. People are waiting for it, so.
Second floor.
Well, we can go back down.
Going
Yeah, we're gonna
down.
go down to 1. You guys going down to 1? Where are you guys going?
One.
Perfect.
Yeah, I love this. I like these elevators. I don't know these elevators.
My phone does not like the numbers.
You know that Macy elevator? I like that one. It's like the one.
Macy's elevator's nice.
First floor.
There you go.
Going down.
On HPS. Oh, this one's over leveled.
Yep.
Alright, what's the deal with this one?
Oh yeah, this one's broken. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, yep, that's
Yeah, this is where it was when I got stuck in it.
yeah, that's more than well broken. Okay. Well, that'll do it for these.
I mean, obviously it's gonna be broken. I got stuck in it. Oh yeah, look up here.
Elevator. Okay. I'm gonna get out of the street now, so that's it.